Hello, welcome to Technical Students. Myself Ajit Kumar. Today I am uploading a video regarding your IT sample paper, right, for commerce students, information technology, IT sample paper 2020, right? So this paper is here that is coming, right? So it is of 80 marks total, right? So we'll start over here. Actually, I will scroll the question paper. You can note it down and you can refer it and solve the questions, and if possible you can answer it, but it is not possible, I knew that, in a comment section, right? So try to answer this, whatever and whatever doubts you have, you can definitely query it in your comment section of this video below, right? So I am scrolling out this, and the answers for this soon will upload, right, in this channel over here. So till then I am scrolling the question paper. It is filling the blanks as per the board pattern. It is totally online question paper, right? I am actually listing out here over in a PDF format to you for you can say for your practice, right? But the exam will be online. The options will be there, the online portal will be there. From board you will have to log in. Okay, if you have not know that how to appear for board exams of IT exams, online exams, you can refer to the video. I will give the link in the description and above the I button of this link video, right? So you can refer that as well. So you have to log in with your college credentials, you can say, that will be provided by the board at the time of board exam. So after that you have to log in, and then this portal will open, and over here see the filling the blanks. The first question is there. It is of 10 marks, each carry 1. So over here this is the filling the blanks. You have to write the here, though no options will be there, right? Then true or false. Okay, so over there you have to select true or false, either true or false, only one of the two you have to select, right? So here you can say this 10 questions are there for 10 marks, carry each 1 mark actually, right? So this all I have given. All the discussion of this question paper I will definitely upload soon, don't worry about that. Then this is multiple choice questions, single answer. Okay, only one choice, correct choice is there for a particular answer, and carry 1 mark each. It is again for 10 marks for 10 questions, right? You can make a note of this. Then multiple choice questions, 2 correct answer for 20 marks, each carry 2 marks over here, and you have to select. I guess over there they will give you 5 options, but I have jotted down over here 4 options, right? So you can say 2 correct answers, 2 correct options for 2 marks for each question, right? So this is this 20 marks, 10 questions will there. Okay, so now multiple choice questions, again 3 correct choices for particular question will be there, and 3 marks you will score, right? 2 questions will be there, so 6 marks total for this 5th question, 3 correct answers. So you have to select any 3 options, check boxes you have to click out over there, right? Because it is multiple choice. So text, decoration, property, this example are there. I will discuss definitely in the solution part of the video that I am upload, right? Then match the following, 4 marks again. See, 4 questions are there, 4 marks, carry each. The correct options will give you, the correct matches will give you 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 4 marks total, right? Then question number 7, any 5 to you can say marks question, right? 10 marks. So over here these are theoretical. You will be given a text box over there. You can see the video for the appearance of the HSCID exam demo also. In there also I have explained. So in that text box you have to enter the answers. You have to type the answer simply, no indentation is required over there, right? So this all 8 questions are there. Among this any 5 you have to attempt. You can say 2 paragraphs, 4 lines, 5 lines you can write for 2 marks. Then programs are there. Write a program using HTML, again 5 marks, or either you write this question or either you write this question, right? Either you write this question, and then again you write this question or you write this question, or right this, in this both you have to write one, that it is including CSS, you can say CSS plus HTML, and this is only plain HTML, it is, right? This or this. So 5 marks from both 1 5 and from this both 1 5, so 10 marks again. So this was all your question paper. All the best, students, you can say, for your board exams as well. So you can take it out, this question paper, and I will definitely provide the web link as well, so you can download over there, right, by going on the website also. So till then, I will say again that subscribe the channel, like the video if you like it, and definitely share with your friends, students. Till then, we'll connect with you the next video with this answer section of this video, right? So we'll definitely join once again after this video with the solutions part of this question paper video. Thank you. Till then, have a good day.